We're somewhere very exciting this morning. We just pulled into Mainline Overland.
Let's go!
Because we're getting the camper put on this morning. As you can tell, our back seat's full because we had to clear the bed for them. Hotel room's also full, but yes, this feels good. We're here before the workers are even here. And we were so excited.
Everybody's pumped. The energy is high.
We're stoked. We haven't even gotten a shower yet this morning, but it was not hard to get up because we have been waiting for this. I'm just picturing us tonight, like sitting in, like getting it arranged how we want, like sleeping in our little tent for the first time. This is gonna be so fun.
It's gonna be a vibe. I can't wait.
We'll have to show you guys when it gets put on. Maybe we'll be able to show some of the install process, but I don't know if we're allowed back there, so we'll find out. This is where we said goodbye to our truck and it got driven back to the install site behind the building, and we didn't see it again for about 4 hours when they finally finished the install.
This camper, real nice unit. You do have access to all 3 sides, okay? The 2 sides as well as the back. Right. Each panel is going to have 2 latches, okay? And they are controlled with the key right here. Right?
Okay.
So they like lock with that?
Yep. Yeah.
Nice.
So right now they're unlocked, but just to lock them up, simply just, you know, put it in, give it a twist, and that'll go ahead and lock it out for you.
Too easy.
And then, yeah, just go ahead and unlock it.
Nobody can steal our shit.
Okay.
Exactly. Yep. It's nice to have that peace of mind. One thing, just so you know, in the winter months, especially if you get in any kind of snowy conditions or all, they did add this all-weather guard, which is nice. Usually nice to put like a little spritz of WD-40 in it before the winter, just to keep everything nice and flowing.
Okay.
Sure.
All right. Access from the side. Back here so you can see.
This is sick.
It's like a whole new car.
This is so dope.
For the back tailgate, you may just want to open up the tailgate first before opening this up, just because of the weather strip. Same thing when you close it. Close the tailgate first, then close this. Okay.
Roger.
And then over here, we'll open up this guy. And now you have it all open up. All right.
Nice.
You have access on all 3 sides. Right through here, very big openings, so you don't have to worry about trying to, you know, finagle things through little tiny pockets. And of course, you have the back. Nice thing about this is cargo is still there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you're able to utilize it for anything. Your trail rail is still accessible, so if you do get tie downs or anything, you can go ahead and still secure things on there.
Nice.
And you know, you still can use deck systems or whatever if you decide to upgrade those later on.
Sweet.
One thing with this, just so you know, okay, it does sit a little bit against the bottom of the awning. Okay, it's not going to really affect it here in this mode. Sure. When we get to opening it up, you're just going to want to watch your corners, of course. But this would be with it all open for you.
Okay.
Your power system is located over here on the side, or at least your plug for it.
Yeah.
Okay. And here is your extension wire. So if you decide to put whatever you have, a charcuterie, Bluetti, or whatnot, anywhere in here, you can gain access to it from a distance.
Nice. We have an EcoFlow.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, that'll work great. Put that right in there. Take this guy, just screw it on. It'll go ahead and give it nice and get it nice and firm there.
Nice.
And does that control like these slides?
Correct. Yep.
Okay.
It's going to control the bottom, okay, and then the top. You have 2 different controllers for both sections.
Okay.
So once we plug that in, you'll see you get a little red light there.
Yeah.
All right. Simply hit the on button. You'll get your lights turning on.
Very nice.
The 4 lights in the bottom, and there's 1 up in the top corner, which we'll see when we open it up.
Wow.
You do have a mode button that you can toggle between white as well as red.
That's cool.
All right, so that's pretty cool at night. You also have a blend, so like not quite white, not quite red. But simply pull out the pin, flip that guy up, and you'll do it on the other side as well. Pull out the pin and flip the...
You want to flip it out?
Perfect. And then, if you're taller, probably good, but once you get it going, the struts will go ahead. Yep, there you go. The struts will go ahead and take over and then lift itself up.
Wow.
That is huge.
Yes. Yeah, the tangerine's great too, so when you guys
I
are
love
out
it.
there camping or whatever, you'll be able to see. Simply push up on the sides here, move these guys back. Same thing with this one. All right, and now you can stand up in here. You can get an accessory ladder, so if you wanted to go and put a ladder on the side.
Yeah. We're out here. We're out here. We have our camper. We're at our first ever harvest host. So since we got the camper and everything a little late after he showed us how to do everything, which wasn't that video of this guy showing us how to do everything so nice,
He knew his stuff.
But since we did a little late, we just found a harvest host that's close to where we were in Pennsylvania. So we'll leave the harvest host information in the description notes for this video. They like offer, you can paddleboard as a way to support them. They have ski stuff, tubing stuff, and you're right here by a stream. Like, we couldn't have asked for a better spot for our first night. This is literally our view. We get to see that stream right there while we're in our tent. This is a mess right now. We need to reorganize that, but we've literally been here for like 30 minutes probably at this point. We were here for only 5 minutes and Mike pulled up, who we just made friends with. He was super nice. He had camped here over the weekend, was looking for stuff that his kids had lost in the woods. So shout out to you,
and
Mike.
And left us some free firewood. Thanks, Mike.
Oh yeah. Left us free firewood, told us a bunch of cool vloggers to follow.
Yeah.
Took one of our cards and said he's gonna subscribe. So thank you, Mike.
Seemed like a local Philly legend, you know. People out here have been nice to us. It's a good area.
Yeah.
Honestly.
That couldn't have been a better start. Like the fact we pulled up here and we had this stream right here for our site, and then we have this really nice person greet us. And the guy who works here is super nice too. Like with Harvest Host, you're supposed to usually make a purchase to support, but we're not gonna be here long enough to paddle, board, or kayak or anything. And he was like, don't even worry about it. Like I'm not worried. So.
And I'm gonna catch some fish back here, you know.
Yeah. This looks like an epic fishing spot. We'll have to show you guys that, and we'll show you guys the bed once we get it a little nicer looking so you can see our home. Didn't show you guys the awning yet officially. We got the open road 270 degree awning, and the guys at Mainline Overland that installed our GFC camper also installed this awning. And Jenny just tried to run away and knocked everything over.
That was the guy on the bike.
Oh. Oh, he's on like an electric
One wheel.
platform, one wheel. Jenny doesn't like those apparently. Jenny, what do you have to say? We want to make everything very seamless and easy for our first night in the truck camper. So first night, we're sitting out here having a little charcuterie dinner. No cooking involved, which means no dishes.
Very good thing.
And we're doing paper plates so that we don't have to wash dishes as well.
And we're using a lot of hand sanitizer.
We are. We're clean, we promise. We just won't shower for another like 5 days or so. Sit, sit, sit. Wait for your dinner. Now you're really not gonna wait for your dinner, are you? She spits like most of it out. What an interesting dog. It's time for Jenny's dinner. For dinner tonight, Jenny, we have got for you some white rice with white chicken breast and peas over the top. Oh, okay. There you go.
me.
You got distracted looking into my eyes.
Yeah. What are those dryer sheets doing?
So I have a dryer sheet tied onto my shirt right now. My mom told me when I was younger that this keeps the bugs away and it's like an all natural version. Let me know if my mom is crazy or if you've heard of that too in the comments. I can't get over how cozy the vibes are out here right now. Just look at what I'm walking back to. Absolute vibes. Also, Pennsylvania's wild out here. I feel like we didn't get this in Colorado. It's 8:25 and believe me when I say that it's not gonna get dark until like 9:30, which is insane, like fully dark. We have such long days. We honestly couldn't have started this at a better time of the year when we really can just like make the most of the day being outside. It's only 8:30, but we kind of want to watch a Twilight movie. We've been dreaming of when we can sit in our truck camper surrounded by forest and watch a Twilight movie. It just sounds like the best vibe. It sounds silly, but I think we're gonna do that. And maybe have an early night. Although today we haven't had to do a ton physically, it's been mentally taxing, I think, all of the new things. So it'd be fine to have an early night. We're probably gonna wake up with the sun anyways. Oh no, I'm almost out of my Curology. We'll see how my life adjusts to just nothing but nature once that's out. Jared's gonna wash his face in the creek. I don't know if this camera mic picks it up because the GoPro doesn't have the best mic and we should be wearing clippable mics, but you can hear like the water running over some rocks in a little rapid just a little further up the stream and falling asleep to that. I'm looking forward to it. It's hard for me right now to not keep thinking about the next thing I'm looking forward to, but I feel like we're finally at a place where like living this lifestyle, I don't need to do that, but I catch myself doing it even when I'm talking. Like, I can't wait to fall asleep to that, and then I'm talking to Jared and I'm like, I can't wait to wake up in the morning and have the screen open and have coffee down by the stream and let Jenny get in the stream, and it's like, just live for right now. Like, this is so good. Why do I have to keep not waiting for the next thing? We successfully made it through the night. I feel like I had a good night's rest other than the fact it got freezing at one point early this morning because we had 2 of the screens open while we slept last night, but look at what we just woke up to. What an amazing view. I could get used to this lifestyle. And we ended up bringing Jenny up here and she slept great with us as well. We can't find Jared's normal coffee right now, so we're doing decaf coffee, but in his, I'm mixing in some normal espresso, so it'll be like a coffee but with some zhuzh to it. Just waiting for the water to boil down here by the stream. It's amazing. Mike, if you're watching, we couldn't see much last night, but your fly rod is still here, and we feel so bad because we don't have your number. We should have got it, but it's right here behind the tree. Like, there's our campsite, there's this log, and it's underneath there. So if you see this soon enough,
Come back.
come back. I know this post's like 3 weeks or maybe only 2 weeks now that I post pretty close together after the actual date, but hopefully you get your fly rod.
Of it, you could pop.
So there is a bathroom on site at this Harvest Host, which normally isn't included, and so we were like, oh, that's great, because we shit in a bucket if we don't have a bathroom. But Jared just went to go scope out the situation.
It's tough in there, let's just say that. It's basically like, think of like 6 concrete walls that all create a little room with no door on them. In one of the rooms is a toilet, and the 2 other ones are showers with shower curtains. So, oh, and there was poop smeared on the wall. Fun find while you're going.
Did you go? Did you still use it?
I did.
He's an animal, people. He still used it. But the women's is locked, so I would have to go into that version of the men's, and with there being no doors and it not being private, I feel like that's just not a safe choice for me. So, do you think it's a safe choice for me?
I think you'd probably be alright, but it's dicey, it's gross.
I'm gonna pass.
Here, Jenny. Let go a little.
And this is breakfast. I didn't even have to turn the stove on, you hear? We just made it to our first dispersed site with the GFC. That's crazy.
This thing's like too big.
This is
Bye,
our first
buddy.
catch. Maddie was just